We here at CFI love the Uniformulas feature in Macabacus, as it has some clear advantages over the native Excel methods of auditing rows and columns. Let's investigate. Uniformulas allows us to just press Ctrl-Q on our keyboard, and then it will select across the rows and down the columns any formulas which are adjacent and consistent. The traditional way of checking formulas across a row, you could just use F2 to enter the cell and then use your arrow keys. This is really slow, however. Excel also does have its row differences functionality, where you select the cells across the row, press F5 on your keyboard, go to Special, and then to Row Differences. It will then verify that there are no differences in formulas going across the row. Let's just do this once more in this row, and we can use the keyboard shortcut for row differences. This is a native Excel shortcut, Control \, and then boom. Oh, we see a mistake here that was picked up by the row differences functionality. Column differences is similar in native Excel. You just select the cells down the column. Similarly, press F5, go to Special, and then go to Column Differences. And then Excel will now select the cells with inconsistent formula structures going down the column. So we see two cells selected here. This one, which we know has an error because it's grabbing the wrong cell for the previous year. And then it also selected our subtotal, which makes sense because this formula here is a sum and it's not consistent with these other three formulas that are above it, which are calculating variable costs per unit. Column differences can actually be enabled with the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-, and that's a native Excel shortcut. However, if you have Macabacus installed, it will actually by default override that shortcut with last audited cell, which is another functionality. We here at CFI actually have that one disabled. So if you go into Settings, Keyboard, Shortcut Manager. The Shortcut Manager is great. You can change any of the keyboard shortcuts if they don't suit your needs and also push it out to your employees. So under Auditing, you see Last Audited Cell. We actually have that shortcut disabled so that we can maintain the native Excel keyboard shortcut for checking column differences. Total preference, up to you. So closing out, in summary, we prefer here at CFI just to press Control-Q with Uniformulas, and then we can quickly identify across the rows and down the columns whether there are any inconsistent formulas. It's really combining two native Excel features, which are row differences and column differences. It's a lot quicker and we prefer to use it when checking models. Enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content? Then hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you over in the next video.